What's up? Welcome back to the tutorial. Today we are gonna learn how to add fixed points with our waving. Waving with fixed points, okay? So what is a wave? If you watched my last tutorial from last week, you will know that this is a wave, okay? Just like water, boom, 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 boom. And I also did some circular waves in the last one, utilizing a fixed point. So that's what we're really going to be focusing on today. It's going to be just that fixed point. So what a fixed point is, you have a point somewhere in the space of your world. In the 3D space, there's a point and it doesn't move, it's fixed, okay? But everything around it moves, okay? So for example, here's a fixed point right here. Finger is stuck on that fixed point. Okay, I'm just gonna hold it to show you what's happening. So you have to move as if somebody is grabbing your finger and the only thing you can move is everything else. So you can move however you want around it, okay? If I were to do a fixed point right here, okay, this can't move, so I would move around it like this. Boom, boom. So I could go and then move that point again, boom, 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 boom. And another example you could do is something like this. I fixed point this part, so I'll have my elbow rotate around it like that, okay? There's another fixed point right there, okay? So that's what a fixed point is. So how do we apply this with waving? So if you know that waving is broken down into your joints, right? Moving one part at a time, each joint is able to move around a fixed point, okay? Including your shoulders, all right? Because check it out. For your shoulders, you're rotating, right? But check it out. You could fix your elbow to a point and rotate your shoulder around this fixed point right here. That's something, boom. See that? I'm isolating this whole part, fixing this point, or you could use the whole line as an example, and then you go, boom. See how I'm moving around this point right here? It's not perfect, but you get the idea, right? I'm using my whole entire body to show that my shoulder is rotating around this fixed point right there. You can go backwards, okay? It's a good way to practice your wave. So one more time on this side, I do a wave, wave, elbow. Once I get to the shoulder, check it out. I'm fixing that point, okay? Here it is in, what do you call it? In action, here we go. Boom, okay? Fixed point waving. To make it even more obvious, you can do something like boom, rotate, boom, wave, wave, boom, rotate, boom, wave, wave. That's something that I like to call like a blanket wave, because you're making a blanket, right? But you add a fixed point and then change directions, okay? There's another example right there. So you just literally, boom, pick a point, fix it, move around it, okay? You could even just start waving like this, right? And you see how your fingertips move up and down? Try to fix that and try to keep waving just by keeping it there, okay? It's really hard, but it's very possible. A way to practice is like, you can go like this or like this and physically just hold on to that point, because you can do something like boom and like wave without having to move that part, okay? So that's another example. Another thing you could do is rotate your elbow around that fixed point. So this is something that I do a lot. I like to trace, but once I get to my elbow, I like to rotate it, okay? I like to move it away while fixing the point of my hands, okay? So wave here, boom. Once I get here, this is fixed, this moves around, okay? So one more time from the side, it looks like this. Wave here, fix it, go back. All right, you could do something like that. Boom, boom, go back. And notice every time I'm moving my elbow, this part doesn't move right here. Okay, so whoosh, whoosh, boom, shoulder, mix it up. See, here, here, boom, change direction. So all of those things you can kind of combine, mix and match, pick a point on your body and then fix it and move around that fixed point while still maintaining the flow of the wave. Okay, but yeah, so that's pretty much it for fixed points. You kind of get the idea after doing a couple of things. You pretty much fix that point, wave around it, or use the fixed point to transition into other waves. There's so many ways you can use it as long as you're focusing on just that one point. Okay, and if you have any questions about this, or if you want to learn different transitions for fixed points, or you want to learn different moves, just go ahead and message me and I will gladly create more videos explaining this. Okay? Good luck and have fun practicing. Peace.